Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily recover deleted documents on WPS Office. So let's say we created some documents and we deleted them but we want them back. So it's very easy. Click on the WPS Office app. You can see the documents we have created till now, but what we want, we need to recover the documents which we deleted. So at first let's delete a document. For example, let's say we need to delete the Amit PDF document. So click on the three dots. After that, click on clear to delete it and just click on delete. On clicking delete, you can see the document vanished. But where it got deleted, we will see here. Below, click on me sign on the right bottom. After clicking, you can see retrieve documents is visible. Click on it. Now you can see all the three documents are visible which we deleted. Right now, 1 minute ago we deleted amit.pdf and the same is visible. Click on it. On clicking, if you want to recover, you can recover it. I'll click on recover. Restore view in documents, go to back. I'll go to home again. Now click on documents. Herein you can see the file is visible which we deleted. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily recover deleted documents on WPS Office. At first we deleted a document, then we saw how to recover it. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.